Today I want to take you through absolute and comparative advantage. Actually, these two theories of trade have been around for quite a couple of 100 years. And as a student, I've realized that a lot of students get stuck, especially on comparative advantage. So let me do this very quickly, starting with absolute advantage. When we talk of absolute advantage, it exists in a country that requires less sacrifice in producing a good than any other country. Yeah, that's as simple as that. It's just a matter of comparing financial cost. But for comparative advantage, it's a bit trickier. Here, we don't compare financial cost, but rather we compare opportunity cost. That is what you have to give up in order to produce a good. If it is less than what another country has to give up to produce the same good, then the former has a comparative advantage in the said good. Let me take you through a simple mathematical example here. Let's assume, but before we have some assumptions to make, let's assume we have two countries, that's Turkey and the United States of America, and we have only two goods, that's a car and a bicycle. Yeah, kind of strange, but it really works to explain to us a comparative advantage, David Ricardo's comparative advantage. So let me fix in some numbers. But before doing that, we still have some assumptions. We assume that the quality of a bicycle from the Turkey is the same as the quality of bicycle from the United States. And the same thing applies to the production of a car. Here is hours needed, not volume of production. So let me fix in some numbers here. Let's say here we have we need 2 hours to produce a bicycle in Turkey, but we need 4 hours. No, but oops. By USA, we need say 1 hour in the production of bicycle. The quality of the bicycle is the same either from Turkey or United States. So clearly here we can see that United States has absolute advantage in the production of a bicycle, because the sacrifice needed is less than that of Turkey. Here too, let me fix in some numbers. Let's have 4 here and 3. Clearly, United States again has absolute advantage in the production of car. See, it will reach a time when a country will decide to specialize in a good. So let's say here, both countries decide to specialize in the production of bicycles. So to produce a bicycle, Turkey has to give up. Here we compare opportunity cost, mind you, not financial cost. Turkey has to give up half a car, because the time that Turkey can use to produce one bicycle, they can use it to produce half a car. But USA has to give up 1/3 of a car. So clearly, the opportunity cost in the United States is less than that of Turkey. Therefore, USA has comparative advantage in bicycle. Yeah, that's it. As simple as that. So let's get here quickly. When both countries decide to specialize in the production of car, to produce a car, Turkey gives up, let's see, here clearly you can see that Turkey gives up 2 bicycles. But United States of America has to give up It has to give up 3 bicycles to get 1 car. Here too clearly we can see that Turkey has an absolute and a comparative advantage. Sorry, a comparative advantage in the production of a bicycle, in the production of what, a car. That's according to David Ricardo. So therefore, Turkey has a comparative advantage in car. That's it, guys. So simple. Hope that's helpful. See you. Bye.